position. The opposing 4-point hesitation roll. Lifeline in a separate direction. Ladies and gentlemen, the coins are vertical. Right. The slow speed handling characteristics of the Hornet in the clean configuration. They will pass before you. Rotary steady angels 5 and 6 on their tails. From the right, reception, high alpha pass. Approaching center point. Each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. The Delta is making their approach to the flight line for their next maneuver. Approaching center point, the entire formation will separate in dramatic fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta breakout. It's a beautiful day. Ladies and gentlemen, your United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron represents a time-honored tradition of pride, professionalism, and excellence. Spanning 98 years of naval aviation, the 2009 team takes a great deal of pride in saluting Navy and Marine Corps pilots, maintenance crews, and support personnel everywhere. From the right, the Blue Angels 2009. The 6 demonstration pilots you have been watching perform here this afternoon are but a small part of the Blue Angel team. The men and women in blue uniforms standing before you are members of the elite Blue Angel maintenance crew. Through hard work, many long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each year, for the past 63 years, provided us with a 100% aircraft availability necessary to perform each of these demonstrations. As the aircraft passes